Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply, and I want to show you the AutoPly cargo van insulation kit. This one installed here in our RAM ProMaster. This is an insulation kit that comes in the box with pre-cut panels like this that fit all the nooks and crannies in the van. It also comes with this adhesive with this backing that you just peel away and you stick it to the wall into the ceiling. It's a super easy installation. It comes in a 1/2-inch version like I have right here, which provides an R value of 2, and it also comes in a 1-inch version that provides an R value of 4. Now this insulation material is fiberglass free, it's allergen free, it's mold and mildew resistant, it's odorless. The adhesive backing here is low VOC, so you're really gonna feel comfortable putting this in the back of your van. It also does meet the safety standard requirements from FMVSS 302 as well as the Canadian version, the CMVSS 302. The product is recyclable and it is made here in the USA. Now the insulation kit you see here is in our RAM ProMaster with 159-inch wheelbase and high roof. It's also available for a lot of other applications with more on the way. So if you're looking for insulation for your cargo van, be sure to check out upfitsupply.com and just search for AutoPly.